Hello and welcome. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects. In this video, we present to you a suburban style shipping container home thoughtfully designed using three 20-foot shipping containers. Welcome back. This amazing shipping container house, jointly designed using three 20-foot shipping containers, creating a one-bedroom, one-bathroom and open-plan living with kitchen. The three 20-foot shipping containers are placed side by side and stitched together, with two of the containers offset at the front to create an entrance porch with a total of 480 square feet of habitable space. Ceiling glass doors open into a bright open-plan living space. The living area has a raised roof, which is a smart passive design element with the high ceilings, with a row of clear story windows, creating a feeling of airiness and openness, allowing for cross ventilation through the stack effect. The warm and cozy sitting space accommodates a comfy couch to lounge upon and watch TV, read, play board games, or just sit back and relax, plus a custom coffee table for your magazines. The interior design of this house is bright and beautiful, nicely decorated with art pieces. Another beautiful sight is the abundance of mini planters found everywhere in the living room. From the lounge area, there is a minimalist dining space, nicely furnished with a custom dining table that can comfortably sit four. Next to the dining is a modern style kitchen, fully fitted with state-of-the-art kitchen appliances, quartz countertops, upper and lower cabinets with contrasting colors. A sliding glass door that gives the kitchen lots of daylight also opens up onto an outdoor terrace, creating a nice indoor-outdoor experience. The master bedroom is well decorated with small pieces of furniture to focus primarily on rest. The bedroom occupies one of the prime spaces with a queen-sized floor bed that can comfortably sleep two. The house features a modern and elegantly tiled bathroom that is well equipped with modern wash and basin, a large bathroom with a mirror, storage cabinets, and a shower cubicle. The interior walls of the house are all drywalled, and none of the corrugated metal look that dominates the exterior is evident anywhere on the inside. The house is painted in light colors on the inside to create that feeling of big indoor spaces. The expansive outdoors welcome the outside lifestyle, and an outdoor dining space provides an additional bonus space where guests or family can breathe in fresh air while dining, providing a very different experience. The outdoor living area opens up the living space to expand the feeling of space and avoid confinement. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible through the exterior and are painted in a shade of gray, bringing out the industrial language of the design. This amazing container home is also listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. Which part of this container house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you love this video, as usual, you are encouraged to subscribe for these and more amazing weekly videos where we showcase the best of shipping container living from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.